So in the previous video, I mentioned about bitwise operations while explaining about arithmetic operations. Here, this when you try to do bitwise operations up to numeric numbers, what happens is those numeric integers or floating points, those will be converted to binary numbers, and each bit is applied this bitwise operation. So to each bit, this AND operation or operation is applied. So observe, this is a unary operation to a single number like 2 or 3 or something like that. In front, if we do that, it will do a NOT operation to all the bits of it. Similarly, bitwise left shift. When I kept bitwise left shift, all the bits will be moved a bit leftward, and the right side and the front parts will be deleted, and right side parts will be the voids will be filled with zeros. Same case with right shift operations. So all these are bitwise. There is one more variation of this AND or and OR, that is called as a logical AND or NOT. Those will be specified with these alphabets. Here these operations are done on the Boolean values mostly. So generally, if you want to combine multiple conditions and calculate the values based on the values true or false, those to those we will apply this logical AND or NOT. So let's say if I evaluate two conditions, like 5 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 1. So I want the result of both of these combined. So I want to so if I want both of these to be true, I will to be checked, then I will keep AND in between. So the result will be true only when both are true. Understood? If at least one of them should be true, then I will keep OR. Not means none of them should be true. I mean, whichever result it came, that will be reversed. If it is true, it will return false. If it is false, it will return true. For bitwise NOT, we'll be using this one, but for logical NOT, we'll be using NOT here. We'll write NOT like this. So this is the sample return. Boolean value is true or false. So OR will return true and will return false. NOT will return true. False will return to true. Like this. This is logical operations and a glimpse of bitwise operations, because we already explained earlier.